Tesla Giga Berlin prepares to start water exploration. Tesla Giga Berlin is preparing to start its own water exploration in the region to supply its factory. Testing of the pump will begin this summer, the company said. Every water supplier or industrial plant in Brandenburg has the right to independently check water supply options. Tesla is looking for new water sources in Brandenburg. The company wants to self-finance exploration in Braunsdorf to get an idea of the potential for groundwater resources in the region. The company said on Friday at the request of Welt. We anticipate that testing of the power pump will begin this summer and be completed this fall, Tesla said. According to the Oder Spree area in Lebanon, Tesla is planning further research on water sources in the region. If the company finds a source, it will first have to apply for the withdrawal of drinking water. According to the State Environmental Protection Agency, every water supplier or industrial plant in Brandenburg has the right to independently check water supply options. Tesla exercised its right, as it planned to expand the production capacity of Giga Berlin from 500,000 cars a year to 1 million. If the water exploration is successful, the company will have to apply to the Responsible Water Authority for an abstraction permit. After that, the process of issuing permits will follow. In this case, the priority of public water supply will also be taken into account, spokesman Thomas Fraze said. The State Environment Agency is responsible for issuing permits for groundwater abstraction from 2,000 cubic meters per day. It is the responsibility of the district or urban district authorities to issue permits for the abstraction of smaller amounts of water. According to the district of Oder Spree, Tesla's water exploration application states that the long-term success at Grunheide must be supported by the development of previously untapped water resources. That is why Tesla is committed to its own research, just like the Ministry of the Environment does in Hangelsberg. As a private company, Tesla can implement this faster than a government agency. According to the ministry, after preliminary investigations, a drinking quality groundwater source was discovered in Hangelsberg. It is worth noting that Tesla is not the only company looking for water sources on its own. For example, in 2022, the district of Märkisch-Oderland approved exploratory drilling at a planned commercial site in Altlandsberg. And in March of this year, the construction of a process water well in Vogelsdorf. Source: reposted and summarized from Eva Fox at Tasmanian.